Hey there EV enthusiasts, today we're diving into the top 5 worst mistakes new EV owners make with chargers. Alright, let's kick things off with a mistake that can stop you in your tracks before you even get a single kilowatt, using the wrong cables. You've got your level 1 chargers, level 2 chargers, and DC fast chargers. Different cars use different connectors. J1772, CCS, CHAdeMO, and Tesla's NACS. The immediate consequence of grabbing the wrong cable or adapter is usually just nothing. No satisfying click, no reassuring blinking lights indicating charging has begun. So, how do you avoid this cable calamity? First, RTFM. Read the fabulous manual. Your car's manual will explicitly state what types of chargers and connectors it's compatible with. Understanding your car's specific needs is the first step to a smooth charging experience every single time. Next up is a mistake born from good intentions but potentially leading to long-term battery blues overcharging, or more accurately, consistently charging to 100% and leaving it there. Lithium-ion batteries are happiest when they're not kept at extreme states of charge for extended periods. Consistently charging to 100% and letting the car sit at that level can accelerate battery degradation. The golden rule for daily driving is to charge your EV to about 80% or 90%. Most EVs allow you to set a charging limit through the car's infotainment system or a companion app. If you're embarking on a long road trip, charging to 100% right before you leave is perfectly fine. Your battery will thank you with many more miles of happy motoring. This next mistake can have some seriously shocking consequences: skipping the necessary permits when installing a home charger. Installing a level 2 charger isn't like hanging a picture frame, it's a significant electrical installation. A permit ensures that the installation is done correctly by a qualified, licensed electrician and that it meets all current safety standards. Don't gamble with your home's safety. In our increasingly connected world, even our cars are becoming sophisticated computers on wheels, and just like your smartphone or laptop, your EV receives software updates. These updates often contain vital improvements for performance, efficiency, and charging. Allowing your EV to install these updates ensures you're getting the best possible performance, the latest features, and the most robust safety measures for your charging system. It's a small investment of time for a potentially significant return in charging reliability and battery health. Our final mistake is one that can lead to the dreaded range anxiety: not planning your charging stops, especially on longer trips. Assuming you can just find a fast charger whenever you need one without prior planning can be a recipe for disaster. The consequences of this lack of foresight can range from mild annoyance to a major travel disruption. The good news is, planning is easier than ever. Your EV's built-in navigation system often includes a trip planner that will automatically route you via necessary charging stops. There are also fantastic third-party apps like PlugShare and a Better Route Planner, ABRP. Before any significant journey, take a few minutes to map out your route, identify potential charging locations, and have a backup or two in mind. A little planning goes a long, long way to ensuring smooth, stress-free electric adventures. And there you have it, the top 5 charging mistakes that new EV owners often make, and more importantly, how to steer clear of them. Remember, your EV is an amazing piece of technology, and treating its charging system with respect will ensure it serves you well for many miles and many years. Have you made any of these mistakes? Let us know in the comments below. Your experience might help someone else. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more EV tips and tricks. We'll see you next time.